It's a bird.
What's this?
That's her carriage.
She got a go on it.
Yeah. Who is that?
Who's that? Is that? Who's that? That's Rosaphy. Who's that? That's Rosaphy. That's Rosaphy.
That's right.
It's Rosaphy.
Josephine?
It's Rosaphy.
Recipe. What about this one? Who's that?
That's Jasmine. Who's that?
That's right, Alex. Who's that?
Mulan.
You love Mulan.
There's Mulan over there.
That's right. That's Mulan.
There's Mulan.
Okay, what about...
You saw Mulan.
You did?
Yes.
That's Tiana.
Who's that? That's who's that?
Who is that?
Who is that?
It's Ariel.
This is Ariel.
You saw Ariel at Disneyland.
This is the Ariel at Disneyland. And who's that? Who's sitting?
It's ice skating. It's Belle.
Who's that?
Who is it?
They're sitting. Who's that?
Who is it?
It's Jasmine.
It is Jasmine.
And who's that?
That's Aladdin.
It's a rabbit.
That's right.
And the other page.
And the other page.
Yes. No, let's do this.
Oh, somebody ripped it. Okay, next page, next page.
That's your Lucky.
Oh, who's that?
Who's that?
Who's that other one?
Who's that?
Who is it?
Who is this?
Look at her hair. Is it long?
Who's that?
It's Rapunzel.
It's a pencil and who's that? That's Ayula. I'm gonna show you. Who's that?
You saw her, right? Where?
I see that? Who's that? Who's that?
Who is that?
Who is she?
You tell me.
Is she pink?
Yeah. What's her name?
With the pink.
Aurora. Alex already said that. Who's that?
Who's that? That's Mulan.
That's right, Alex. Who's this?
It's so white.
That's right. That's you.
Yeah, that's so white.
Who's that?
That's Cinderella.
That's right.
That's who's that?
Cinderella.
It's Cinderella.
Who's this?
And that's Gus. She's
That's
pink.
Gus Gus. You're right. The mouse.
Yes, that's Gus. There's two mouses.
That's right, Alex. You're so awesome.
And there's that too.
That's right. And
the owl too.
and the owl. You saw the owl.
You saw owl.
Who's that?
That's the owl too. That's the banana.
Tiana.
It's a banana.
Who's that?
Who is it?
It's Belle.
This is Belle.
This one's Rapunzel.
Yes.
And who's that?
Who's that? You fix it, you fix. Who's that? That's Mulan.
That is Mulan. You're so smart, Alex.
And who's that?
Who is it? You tell me.
That's so white. It's me.